First, generative AI. Third, AI.
First AI model.
The moon lander.
AI is changing coding completely. Earlier, a developer used to write a single line of code manually. But now, AI can build apps, websites, and even debug code in a second, right? So, the real question is how do you learn AI coding in 2026? So, in this video, I'll show you the exact roadmap step by step how you can use AI for coding. First, we talk about what is AI coding. AI coding means using artificial intelligence tools to write, to understand, to debug, or to improve your code. Tools like OpenAI, ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, and AI agents can help developers code faster. But remember, AI tools, AI agents help developers, but they do not replace developers, right? So the first step is learn one programming language. Do not learn everything, right? My recommendation is Python, best for AI ML, JavaScript, best for AI web apps, and Java, best for backend plus enterprise. If you are a complete developer, you can start with Python because its syntax is simple and most library use Python, right? And you can build AI apps or AI web application, right? With Python. So the step two is learn AI tool instead of only theory, right? Most students waste their time and months watching theory videos, right? Instead of building real world project with AI tools, right? You can use AI tools like I'm mentioning the AI tools as you can see, right? GitHub Copilot, VS Code, AI Cursor, AI Claude, and Chat GPT, right? There is a lot of tools, so you can build your apps with these tools, right? So ask to AI to write code, to explain code, to debug code, and to improve code, right? And the third step is build real projects. So my recommendation is you can make AI chatbot, you can make AI code debugger, you can make image generator, and you can make AI resume builder. So even the simple project teach more than 100 watching videos. The fourth step is learn prompt engineering. The better your prompt, the better your AI result, right? So do not write like this prompt. Create website. What is this prompt, right? So you need to write prompt like this. Create a responsive React login page with Tailwind CSS and JWT authentication. So be specific and be clean and to give context to the AI and tech stack and to step by step information to the AI. And so how you can build your app easily with step by step. The biggest mistake students make, the biggest mistake is consuming a lot of videos without practicing. The watching videos does not make you an AI developer. Building project does, right? So practice daily, use GitHub, upload projects, and debug that code. So how you can learn AI coding, right? If you want more AI roadmaps, developer content, and project ideas, so comment below. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and like this video and share this video with your friend who want to learn AI coding, right? And tell me in comment below which project you want to build next. Okay, till then, bye bye.